Hey everyone, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. If you've ever tried to build a list of businesses from Google Maps, you probably know how annoying it can get. You search for something like plumbers in Dallas or restaurants in Miami, and you open your search results, copy the business name, copy the address, phone number, paste it into Excel, and do it all over again. That might be okay for 5 businesses, but if you need 50, 100, or even more, it becomes very time consuming. And that is why I built the Google Maps scraper for Excel. The actual tool is called the Google Business Extractor in Excel, and it helps you pull business information from Google Maps directly into your spreadsheet. Once you open the Excel file, you can choose the type of business from the drop-down list or simply type your own key into the keyword cell. For this example, we'll search for Chinese restaurants. I'll choose the restaurant as business type and then type Chinese in the keyword cell to narrow the search. Next, I'll enter the location I want to search. In this example, let's use Salt Lake City, Utah. Then I'll set the radius, which tells the tool how wide the search area should be. Once everything looks good, I'll click on Search. From there, the tool connects to Google Maps and start pulling the results back into Excel. You'll see the business details appear in clean columns, including the business name, address, and phone number. Once the search is done, you can sort the list, filter it, save it, or use it for your own sales, marketing, or research work. And since it works inside Excel, there is nothing complicated to learn. No coding, no extra software, and no monthly subscription. Just open the file, enter your search, and let Excel do the work. You'll need a Google Maps API key, but don't worry. We've included a step-by-step tutorial that shows you exactly how to set up the API key. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years and have helped more than 8,000 users so far. We have over 158 5-star Google reviews, and a lot of our customers say the same thing. Tools are simple, they save time, and when they need help, they actually can talk to a real person. You can reach me by phone, email, or live chat. And if you need a custom version of this tool for your own business workflow, just let me know. I build custom tools like this all the time. Download the Google Maps scraper in Excel using the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Excel tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.